crazy, Joker crazy.
The harder you ball, the harder you ball, the harder you work, the greater the hustle. No more struggling from nothing to something. It's about the money, it's all or nothing. I'm just trying to be successful. Just trying to be successful. Just trying to be successful. It's all or nothing, that's the mode of me, and I'm all about that money. The cheddar, the moolah, them pesos, the narrows, whatever you wanna call it, I'm by all on what you might call it. You know I'm talking about that money, that's what I fucking call it. I chase the paper, don't chase the hoes, God be the limit, bitches said it though. No disrespect, DJ Khaled, but this CRE and we be the best. We hustle harder than anybody, stay putting out that great A with A1, that's steak sauce, there are shit, that's well done. Trying to be successful like the wealthy people, keep certain people around me, keep them haters so far away, cause I'm trying to get it by any means in my own way, but do better, keep making moves, chasing cheddar. Every day hustling is making my life much better. From nothing to something, it's about the money, it's all or nothing. I'm just trying to be successful, just trying to be successful, just trying to be successful.
Like Master P, I'm about that. You better than me, I doubt that. This music shit, my outlet. Still going for 10, how about that? I can lose it all, still bounce back. Jesse Owens on a hot track. In kindergarten, I was writing raps. Grown man, they no trap. I engineer, I make beats. I DJ, I'm the cameraman. Need a video or a street team? Then you probably need to know who I am. Arkansas, team win. They don't shop with us, we don't fuck with them. While y'all sleeping, we hustling. Them late nights, we at it again. Trying to be successful, but this shit so stressful. No days off, no handouts, no time outs, we ain't resting. Microphones, I bless them. Every verse perfection. I take cash and all major cars. Call and book me for your next session.